9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Hobby Moe channel. This is the first part of the making the RC Drift body shell. We've got body shell, the Toyota Supra, and we've got the Camaro chassis. So in the beginning, before we can make the holes to let the body sit tight on the chassis, we need to cut the edges and trim the wheel lanes. All we will need curved hobby scissors and a hobby knife. The easiest way to do is, first we cut the surroundings of the body shell. What we do, the easiest way, we go around giving a small pressure on the body shell. Some parts are very thin, you don't need to go through. Take your time. And don't go too high in the beginning. It depends on the height of your chassis, your body. A lot of things matters really. Okay, so now you need to find the weakest point, which is this, and start to peel. It will give you very nice cut. As I said, you need to take your time. Started to peel easy, but some points that you started, it will be hard to open a little bit. Just peel. No. So as you can see, we peeled it off, just making a line around the body, and then now we need to make as you can see here in the body lane, all the lines are here, so you need to move slowly, take your time on the edges, and don't forget, if you start in one point, you need to end in the same point. So let's make a test. Like this. As this body, you have these body mounts. It's adjustable. You can put it down, lift it. It depends on your choice. So in this video, I will show you how to cut the polycarbonate body shell and do some design for the car. I will need to make the mount holes in the beginning and then make my designs, because I want the body stay on the chassis. So now I'm gonna start cutting the body from the line itself. But as I told you, please use a new hobby knife blade and take your time. And then start to peel slowly. Some parts of the Lexan is thicker than the rest, so you need to just give it a small push. Okay, we need to make a small U-turn. I didn't do this side. Did I? No, I didn't. Very smooth. This in the front I made some mistakes, so I'm gonna use the curve. Here comes the curve hobby knife. Okay, and then start again from here. So the first step, you need to cut the extras from the Lexan body. And then the second step, you need to bring the chassis and mount it on the car itself. Normally there are markings for the body mounts, for the car. But in this one I can't find it. Oh, it's here. It's here, and here. The back mounts here, the front mounts holes are here. So, but on my body it's different. So I need to make the holes myself. When I'm happy, I can mark the holes and then use the body hole, what do you call it? After, when you are happy with the fitting, you need to have a marker. Just put marks where you want to make holes. After marking the holes, you need to drill the holes using the drill hole setup. Every time you make a hole, you need to make sure it's like that, click, so it will have less movement when you drive. After you're making this hole and it's in the right place, you need to make sure that all the marks that you marked are in the right place, to make sure the body sits exactly on the chassis, sorry. Making the holes in the front, you use the pins also, just to make sure that everything is done. Lovely. As you can see, less movement, as I told you. So if you're gonna put any kind of camera on the body shell, you will not hear that noise or you name it. So after making the holes, we need to draw the design of the car, like opening doors, opening windows, the grille, the rear window here. Oh, the rear window here. It depends on your design. For my design, I'm gonna make an opening here in the grille, front grille. And the doors, I will open it, make an opening on the doors. So I will use mini servos from my RC helicopter to open the doors, remote control. Plus, I'm going to make a small cut in here it shows that the window is down, opened in the halfway. So let's make the markings first, that wherever we want to cut, and then we come back.